In the realm of natural health, few resources possess a history as rich or benefits as broad as black seed oil. This remarkable substance has captured the interest of those seeking wellness through natural means, and for good reason. With a spectrum of applications that span from improving overall health to addressing specific concerns for men, women, and even hair and skin care, black seed oil stands out as a versatile and potent aid in the pursuit of well-being. In this movie, we delve deep into the world of black seed oil, exploring its origins, the science behind its benefits, and how to harness its full potential for health and vitality. What is black seed oil? Black seed oil, derived from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, is a treasure trove of health benefits that has been revered for centuries. This plant, native to Southwest Asia, produces tiny black seeds from which the oil is extracted. The uniqueness of black seed oil lies in its complex composition, which includes over 100 chemical compounds, with thymoquinone being the most prominent due to its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The oil's versatility is evident in its application, extending from dietary supplements to topical solutions, making it a staple in traditional medicine across various cultures. Its benefits are attributed to its rich nutritional profile, encompassing essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, which collectively contribute to its therapeutic effects. This multifaceted approach to health enhancement sets black seed oil apart as a holistic remedy, addressing a wide array of health concerns with natural efficacy. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. The history of black seed oil. The use of black seed oil dates back thousands of years, with its origins rooted in ancient civilizations. Historical records reveal that it was a key ingredient in the medicinal arsenal of the Egyptians, famously used by Cleopatra for its beautifying effects on the skin and hair. Additionally, it was found in the tomb of King Tutankhamun, underscoring its value in the afterlife. The significance of black seed oil extended beyond Egypt, with references found in the Bible and Islamic texts where it is praised for its healing capabilities. Its use in traditional medicine spans across the Middle East, Asia, and Africa, where it has been utilized to treat a variety of ailments, from respiratory conditions to digestive issues. This historical reliance on black seed oil reflects its esteemed status among natural remedies, a testament to its enduring effectiveness. The wealth of knowledge passed down through generations has cemented its place in holistic health, providing a foundation for its continued exploration in modern wellness practices. The science behind black seed oil's benefits. Recent scientific research has begun to unravel the mechanisms behind black seed oil's health-promoting properties. Studies have identified several key compounds within the oil, including thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, and thymol, which are credited with its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects. These compounds work synergistically to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, underlying factors in many chronic conditions. Clinical trials have provided promising results demonstrating black seed oil's efficacy in improving various health markers. For instance, its impact on cardiovascular health, evidenced by its ability to regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, highlights its potential as a natural remedy for heart disease. Additionally, its role in enhancing the body's immune response underscores its utility in preventing and managing infections. The scientific exploration of black seed oil is an ongoing journey, with each study contributing to a deeper understanding of its health benefits. This growing body of evidence supports the traditional uses of black seed oil while paving the way for new applications in contemporary health practices. Black seed oil benefits for overall health. The benefits of black seed oil for overall health are vast and varied, addressing both preventive and curative aspects of wellness. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful ally against chronic inflammation, a common culprit behind numerous health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By mitigating inflammation, black seed oil helps safeguard against these conditions, promoting long-term health. Moreover, black seed oil's antioxidant effects play a crucial role in protecting the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. This action helps prevent premature aging and supports the body's natural healing processes, enhancing overall vitality. The oil's ability to boost the immune system further amplifies its health benefits, offering protection against a wide range of illnesses and infections. Incorporating black seed oil into a holistic health regimen can significantly impact well-being, offering a natural means to enhance bodily functions and prevent disease. Its broad-spectrum benefits make it an invaluable resource for those seeking to maintain health and vitality through natural methods. Black seed oil benefits for women's health. Black seed oil offers specific advantages for women's health, addressing concerns that range from hormonal balance to reproductive health. Its hormone-regulating properties can alleviate symptoms associated with menstrual cycles and menopause, such as mood swings, cramps, and hot flashes, promoting hormonal harmony and overall well-being. For women dealing with fertility issues, black seed oil may offer hope. Research suggests its potential to improve ovarian function and increase fertility, making it a natural option for women seeking to enhance their reproductive health. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can support vaginal health, reducing the risk of infections and discomfort. The benefits of black seed oil for women extend to beauty, with its nourishing effects on the skin and hair. Its ability to promote skin health, combat acne, and enhance hair strength and shine makes it a valuable addition to beauty routines, further exemplifying its versatility and effectiveness in addressing women's health and wellness needs. Black seed oil benefits for men's health. Men's health can greatly benefit from the inclusion of black seed oil in their wellness routine, particularly in areas such as cardiovascular health, fertility, and hair loss. The oil's cardioprotective effects, attributed to its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol, are particularly beneficial for men who are at a higher risk of heart disease. Fertility is another area where black seed oil shows promise for men. Studies have indicated its potential to improve sperm quality and motility, offering a natural solution for those facing fertility challenges. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can enhance overall reproductive health, supporting male fertility. Hair loss, a common concern among men, can also be addressed with black seed oil. Its nourishing properties help strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth, making it an effective remedy for those experiencing hair thinning or loss. This multifaceted approach to men's health underscores the comprehensive benefits that black seed oil offers, making it a valuable asset in achieving and maintaining optimal well-being. Black seed oil benefits for hair and skin. The benefits of black seed oil extend to the external aspects of health, notably hair and skin. Its rich composition, laden with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, makes it an excellent natural remedy for various skin and hair concerns. For the skin, black seed oil can help combat acne, eczema, and psoriasis thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. It also offers hydrating and rejuvenating benefits, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When it comes to hair, black seed oil's benefits are equally impressive. Its ability to nourish and strengthen hair from the roots promotes healthy growth, while its antimicrobial properties help maintain scalp health, preventing dandruff and other scalp issues. The oil's natural conditioning properties leave hair soft, shiny, and resilient, showcasing its versatility as a beauty aid. Incorporating black seed oil into skincare and hair care routines is a simple yet effective way to harness its benefits. Whether applied topically or included in beauty products, black seed oil offers a natural solution to enhancing the health and appearance of hair and skin, contributing to overall confidence and well-being. How to use black seed oil for maximum benefits. To fully benefit from black seed oil, understanding the best ways to use it is key. Whether ingested or applied topically, the method of use can influence its effectiveness. For internal health benefits, black seed oil can be consumed directly, mixed with honey or a beverage, or taken in capsule form. The recommended dosage varies depending on the health concern being addressed, but starting with a small amount and gradually increasing, it can help gauge the body's response. Topical application of black seed oil is ideal for skin and hair concerns. It can be applied directly to the skin or mixed with carrier oils or creams for enhanced moisturization and treatment of specific conditions. For hair, massaging the oil into the scalp and hair can promote growth, strength, and shine. Additionally, incorporating black seed oil into homemade beauty recipes, such as masks and scrubs, can further amplify its benefits. When using black seed oil, patience and consistency are crucial. The benefits may take time to manifest, but regular use can yield significant improvements in health, beauty, and overall well-being. Adopting black seed oil as part of a holistic health approach can enhance its effectiveness, contributing to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Choosing a high-quality black seed oil product. The effectiveness of black seed oil is largely dependent on its quality. To ensure maximum benefits, selecting a high-quality product is essential. Factors to consider include the source of the seeds, the extraction method, and the purity of the oil. Opting for black seed oil that is organic, cold-pressed, and free from additives and fillers guarantees a product that retains its nutritional profile and therapeutic properties. Researching brands and reading product reviews can provide insights into the quality and efficacy of different black seed oil products. Certifications and third-party testing results can also offer assurance of a product's purity and potency. Investing in a high-quality black seed oil ensures that you receive all the health benefits it has to offer, making it a worthwhile addition to your wellness regimen. Black seed oil. Safety and potential side effects. While black seed oil is generally safe for most individuals, being aware of potential side effects and safety considerations is important. Some people may experience allergic reactions, digestive issues, or low blood pressure when using black seed oil, especially in high doses. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as individuals on medication or with specific health conditions, should consult with a healthcare professional before using black seed oil. Moderation is key when incorporating black seed oil into your health regimen. Starting with a low dose and gradually increasing, it allows you to monitor your body's response and adjust accordingly. Being mindful of the quality of the product and adhering to recommended dosages can minimize the risk of adverse effects, ensuring a safe and beneficial experience with black seed oil. Conclusion: black seed oil embodies the essence of natural health, offering a myriad of benefits that cater to overall well-being, women's and men's health, and beauty. Its rich history, backed by scientific research and traditional use, underscores its effectiveness as a holistic remedy. By understanding how to use black seed oil and choosing a high-quality product, you can harness its full potential, enhancing your health and vitality naturally. The journey to wellness is a personal one, and incorporating black seed oil into your routine can be a valuable step in achieving your health goals. Whether seeking to improve specific health concerns or enhance your overall well-being, black seed oil offers a natural, versatile solution. Embrace the powerful benefits of black seed oil and discover the transformative impact it can have on your health and life. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.